Welcome to our channel. Let's explore the simple steps to open a business bank account quickly and efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Opening a business bank account is a crucial step for any entrepreneur looking to establish a professional presence and manage finances effectively. Here is a straightforward step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process simply and with confidence. Step 1. Understand your business needs. Before applying, consider what services you need from your bank, such as online banking, credit card processing, or business loans. This will help you choose the right type of account and bank. Step 2. Choose the right bank. Research banks that offer business accounts. Compare fees, minimum balance requirements, transaction limits, and additional perks. Look for banks known for excellent customer service and tailored business solutions. Step 3. Gather required documentation. Typically, you will need the following documents to apply for a business bank account: valid personal identification, such as a passport or driver's license, proof of business registration or incorporation, documents your business license or permits, if applicable, tax identification number, EIN, certificate of formation. If you are a partnership or corporation, you may need organizational agreements or resolutions. Step 4. Prepare your business details. Be ready to provide detailed information about your business, such as the legal business name, business address, contact information, nature of business, estimated monthly deposits, and number of employees. This information helps the bank understand your needs and risks. Step 5. Apply in person or online. Many banks allow you to apply online for convenience, but you can also visit a local branch to apply in person. Online applications often require you to upload your documents and fill out forms. Carefully follow instructions closely to avoid delays. Step 6. Make your initial deposit. Most banks require a minimum initial deposit to activate your business account. The amount varies, so check this beforehand and ensure you have the funds ready. Step 7. Set up online banking and additional services. Once your account is open, set up online banking to monitor your transactions effortlessly. You can also request checks, merchant services, or link your business credit card to your new account. Step 8. Keep your account updated regularly. Review your account activity and stay current with any changing banking requirements. Maintaining a good relationship with your bank can open doors to more financial products and support. Opening a business bank account doesn't have to be complicated. With the right preparation and understanding of the steps, your business can benefit from organized finances, enhanced credibility, and greater control over cash flow. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on helpful business tips and guides.